Hello, Mzansi. This is your host Z, and you are all welcome to Z's Cozy Corner podcast. This show is dedicated to all the South African artists to share their stories, experiences, and the challenges they face in the entertainment industry. We all know the stars of our favorite movies and TV shows, but what about the talented individual whom their voices frequently go unheard? They always face rejection, criticism, self-doubt, and financial instability, which leave them feeling sad and depressed, fearful and doubtful, frustrated and angry. What about them? What about those artists? But then now we have Z's Cozy Corner podcast. ZCC is a platform where they can all share their success and struggle from the industry. We'll be discussing topics like audition process, on-set experience, and the struggle of making a living as an artist. Singakuvuyela kwakhona uba singafumana iingcaphephe ezinokusicebisa. So, if you are a performing artist, a visual artist, or any other artist and you have a story to tell, then ulinda ntoni? Kindly follow us on our social media platform and join the conversation. Let us all be the voice of the voiceless. Let's create a supportive community where everyone can win. Thank you so much for watching. Let's catch up on our next episode, and please don't forget to subscribe. Welcome to our episode, Mzansi. Ngihleli no Babjila no Bab Gumede from Durban Gen.
Yeah.
Babji, unjani?
Ngumqaba velike. Hukumethe uyeyeyo phakathwayo. Hawu, uhamba noMaji from Durban G. Ibhoza ama-paramedics mina akekho munye. Njoba ngokutshela ngithi ngumqaba lefinika cha. Thetha sindikubamela.
Okay, Babji, ndigqibele ukukubona mina kwi-Durban Gen. Yes. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi yini eyenze ukuthi uchoose le career, if ngathi career, yini eyenze ukuthi uchoose i-acting?
Hey ngisuka kude lento. Angithi bengazi lapho ukuthi phela ke ne-acting. Yabo? Hey kwenzakala ngelinye ilanga. Yazi mina benginjani esikolweni bengiphapha. Ngcono bengiphapha ngiseve icathulo. Bengithi njalo mina mangibuye esikoleni yayikhumbula igoma eyisesemncane uyazi igoma.
Yes.
Yo igoma enye ready ngake nepike engaka. Bengena ngale emuva mina kwespeaker ngihlale kanje. Ngithi sanibonani. Indaba zanamhlanje kuthi amaphela seThekwini sewayatotoya ngoba bona bawashaya ngedumo. Yazi bathini ngithi bathi lo actor. Ayazi ihlala kwabafileyo.
Le nobaba uMhlongo.
Yeah.
Yes.
I was there, I was an extra.
Really?
Yeah, I was young. Bengazi ukuthi ngitalented. Esikoleni bathi kimi angeke ngimkhohle le thisha mpela. Wathi wena ula ngathi usikathathe. Yaba? Bengihlale ngiphuma number 1.
Wow.
Yeah. Ayikhohlwa nzima. Bengifunda yabo incwadi iJulius Caesar. Bengifunda iJulius Caesar mina manje okay sebafunda zonke le ncwadi yabo. Go grade 12 uJulius Caesar bengimqala emuva ngize naye ngapha. Ngasha 100%. Bathi kithi ubaba mothi kimi ngihambe ngayivithi mangifike evithi bathi ngoba idoctor ngoba ilawyer ngathi ngathola imarket theater. I met uSilo Makeka Ncube. Waye ku generation bathi uDaniel Nyathi. Wenza i-audition ye koze kusepesh.
Yes.
Here in Market Theatre. Ngaqala lapho ukuba professional. Ngaye Grahamstown, from Grahamstown ngithe mangibuye Grahamstown Arts Festival ngathola i-award. Ulindiwe Chibi uDubs wokuqala kumvango. She was the best of me, best of my friend. Bamdubule ekhanda. I was the one who did the documentary ngoLindiwe Chibi.
Kuphi la eJoburg?
Yebo.
Oh, ngicabanga ukuthi lento uyenze eDurban, like everything. It started here.
Yeah, mina ngizalwe le eKZN. I came back to eJoburg ngizofunda ngithi phela eKZN ba vele iqiniso. Basiluthisa inkomo cabanga nje ayolandela inkomo emuva. Yazi inkomo mayikhipha nje uyibhaqa wena mina ufake inyawo yabo. ukuthi at least isishise yabo umtshele naloyo ukuthi angangifoneli ngibhizi la ku-interview njengoba ngikutshela wesesa ngithi mina ngiluse kakhulu ngenza yonke into ngithemba ngifike eGoli hayi la ngibone khona ukuthi hayi man I'm talented why mina yazi ubabami usikhumbuzo yabo le ngoma ethi wangilaya wesikhumbuzo wangithathela into yami ithembo
uyakhona nokucula
ngenza yonke into ngibuya ku-umoja mina the spirit of togetherness ekaThembi noThothwala Thembi Nyande noThothwala namhlanje uThembi ulapha yakuzala I'm an actor by birth buzo market theater namanje bazokutshela
ne okay iziphi izinto othe wahlangana nazo like ezingakuzwisi kahle like lapha kwi-industry
yabona kule industry school if you are not patient and if ngeke khona ukuthi ube nehope khohle ungayike acting ukuthi ufuna ukuvela eTV hayi ngisakutshela sithi noma nawe bhuti nawe mfana nawe usakhula upcoming actor ngiyanicela ningazi lapho ukuthi nifuna ukuvela eTV ukuthi nibe famous it's hard unokuthi audition bafuna abantu abayi2 ne108 imagine uselayinini
ngowe95
ngazo sikhathi wena102 mazithi 4:00 bathi you are cutting usuke Natal
awusangenanga ku-audition
usuke Natal ulale khona ku-audition manje into manje esengiyibona ne okay I'm sorry to say that but I had ukuthi ngiyikhuluma yabona manje laba bababizana laba bama TikTok ama influencer
yes
uyazi manje benzani ama producer nama director nama casting director abona wena ku TikTok or influencer you've got 1 million viewers or 1 million likes you understand bese bayakuthatha bakufaka story mawufika estoryini awukwazi ukuacta afuna ukutshela manga awukwazi ukuacta uya influencer wena uzofika lapha kunike imonologue akwazi ukumonologue bese wenza lento zakho zakistalk phela ayifuneki lento leyo talk where the character ibawo i-character uyabona manje uma uthi kimi cry I cry because I'm the character I wear the character like if I like I played mina uMaphikela ziningi engizidlalene I played uMaphikela and I have enjoyed yabona kuMaphikela nginga enjoy that was a story about ama twins alwela ubukhosi I was the soothsayer like Julius Caesar there's a society beware the eyes of much ngafunda phela mina mlenet I went to school angafunda sesifanga ngithatha cheap like a chappies did you know that mina
so babji if ubona ubhekelele iTV ubona umuntu ubona ukuthi le character bengizoyenza much better than the person how does it feel?
It feels sad to twice ngiqasha thina because asibozizana bazothenza ivideo ufaka imonologue wenzeni uyenza ayi bese ayayibheka lo caster yathi asasilo hayi athi ngidonse lo just because khona abathanda ukuthi mangavele eTV angifuni imali thina icareer sayifundela
ne
it icareer we paid a lot of money ukuthi uyofunda iacting bese kuqhamuka wena ese-influencer upheyanga next just because wenza iTikTok waba nama likes bese bathi uzodlala ubabugumede ungamdlala wena ubabugumede ngeke hawu ngeke way yeyona hengizolwa nawe
so baba kubhlungu yazi because if uthi bazothatha umuntu abambone ku TikTok and the next thing bakhahlele wena ukuthi angeke ungene la kuzongena lo muntu then lo muntu afika ngayenzi into right don't you think they are killing
acting they killing us thina sifundile mina angeke ngibiza ukuthi inani kodwa ngizokutshela ukuthi bayingaki ebebefuna ukureplace abantu ngam-replace umuntu uyabona mina as yabona manje ami brand ukuthi ubani uyangiqhasha anginankinga angeke futhi ngize ngixabane nabo songiqasha uma ngabe ubona italent ungangiqasheli ngokuthi nama viewers
Yeah.
just because angeke manje uthi uqasha mina bese ngidlala Achim Rock. How can I replace that man? He worked for that. He rehearsed for that character. He wear that character. Wena uyafika ku TikTok bese udlala njengami babukumede. Bese bayakuthatha bakunika iscript awuna script. You are influencer ngoqala. And you don't know ukuthi iscript isibhalwa ngesilungu. Wena mele usichange to Zulu.
Yeah.
Or if it is Shangane, if it's Shangane, if it's song, if ever English, it's Shang English, but mele ufake iskazi into zakho. Babiza amakhlimkhlamkhla.
Yeah.
Into ezikho. Mele hlobisa. Yabo. Be creative.
So lama influencer awazenzi lezo zinto.
Angeke.
And then abantu bahleli nama careers.
Uyazi mangiyoba iMC, ngiqashwe ne-influencer, ne? Mina ngibambe mic ngijabulisa bese ayangena yena. Ashaya into zakhe mina. Alipo! Pi! Po! Bamnike 15,000 mina banginika 10,000.
No, baba.
I'm telling you.
No.
Akakwazi ukubamba iaudience. Usually TikTok 3 minutes or 5 minutes ngishutha kanje. Mina mele ngixoxe neaudience yonke ngibajabulisa abantu ngiphile nabo.
The next thing wena uthola imali encane.
Ngane bona bathole. Ngamtshela omunye noDwest. Ngathi mfana wami ukuthi wena waleli impompo uphuma ku TikTok hayi wo. Baqeda mina azi banginika imali encane ngabatshela ngathi wenzeni ngoba wonke lo mcimbi uwenziwe yimina. Yimi engiphethe imic, yimi engibiza ama artists, yimi engenzani. Yena ungene wabulisa abantu wathi uphuma aqeda waqeda. Uqedileke, holile. Uyabona ukuthi ama influencer now ahamba yofunda iacting. Kumanje wonke nasi I'm telling you.
Manje bayibamba emsileni.
Half of this industry ama influencer.
But then I think lapho ama influencers awenzanga next. Abantu abarongo yibapi?
Ama casting director.
Yeah.
Yebo.
But kena do you think abayibona into wrong or they don't mind as long as
khane bayibona manje it's late. Bayibona manje. Yazi ma influencer angimandi kuya lapha mina ku eSentini. Ngifike eSentini ngithi le moto le sengiyithengile ngishutha nje naye. Bazothi hey. Yabo? Enza njalo ama influencer. Ahamba eshuthe emhlanga. eThekwini ke emhlanga kulezi indle idura yathi indle yakhe. Bese naye ngiyakutshela puru nilandela yena. Ngazo sikhathi athi udoctor akusu doctor. Ugcoka into zobudoctor. Omunye athi mina actor mina ngihamba nobani bani.
kanti
Kanti
lo
isithombe sibekela. Ngazo sikhathi isithombe senziwe. The truth hurts but
it is.
life. Ingakho ngithi yabona manje thina as South African actors asihlanganeni. Namhlanje bathi maso ubudala ugogo romkhulu bazokunika 50,000 mele uresign. How can you resign acting because into engikhula nayo into besixoxela
acting ayigugelwa mos.
ayigugele.
Manje if kuzothiwa uresign because umdala ubani umuntu ozo act ugogo or akusena stories ezizoba nabo gogo nabo omkhulu.
Shisho kanjalo ukuthi yini enzo act abagogo nabomkhulu.
Okay.
Ngile industry ngitshela na ama upcoming actors. Yabo manje ngiyahamba ngeMpumalanga ngiya eLimpopo ngiyodonate icathulo. Kulabantwana abangakhuni ukuthi nabo. Yazi kunomntana nokuhamba nesicathulo size siphele ngaphansi la ngaphansi. Yes. Kodwa esesikolo siwani sigcoka Sunday maka esontweni asigcoke Monday to Sunday.
Make esikoleni futhi.
Esontweni futhi ngaso same bese abafundisi mawukoleka kanti umfundisi wayibona nabo bangacabanga ukuthi asidonetheni. Yabona mina the half of the money that I get engiphandayo ngiyacaba ukuthi thinge mhlambe kule ndawo ethengisa understand icathulo ngithi ngicela ningike nje ibox ngizoba imalini bathi imali engaka ngithi hayi le ngiyayishiya ngizosithatha ngedonate somewhere kunabantwana abangakhona ukuphila nje ngathi. I'm telling you ukuthi ngikhule kakhulu le emakhaya yabo. Ngiphile nazo
ubuhlungu.
Ngibe nenhlanhla mina. Uthethe ubaba wezekole. Ekhona ngifike ngathola education abayithola education nayo. nabantwana komanje ungitshela ukuthi bengiseThekwini mina ngasuka eThekwini ngaye eBhulwa ngasuka eBhulwa ngaya phansi enhlangakazi kodwa ngathi isikhathi lokho sithi ANC whatever ngeke ngibize nje amalona yabo but why singabadonate nama sanitary pads ngiyakwenza lo ngiyabadonate
wow umuhle umsebenzi owenzayo baba
and then ngiyaba motivate laba abafelile manje yabo iyehlile rate abazibulalayo I was there before I went to Mpumalanga KZN ngaya eSwatini that's why nase Eastern Cape kunelona iproject engiyenzayo nomunye usisi wale Eastern Cape ne ikamva labantwana laba asingenzani ngidonsa labantwana after school abeze bazodla isuphu sibafenzela ama homework aba grade 12 nendawo yabo I want ukuthi nawe uthi uhluzeke yeah
ama productions okhile wasebenza nawo ngiyazi ukuthi maningi I treatment beyinjani
yabona kuwo wonke afuna ukutshela manje yabona iStandard sengiphathe kahle mina mfutshela and they gave me anything namhlanje I'm a director I'm a writer I'm a poet
oh you are a writer
yebo
that's nice khona izitori osozibhalile
hayi khona ngishuthile futhi isasekhaya
okay
crime does not pay ngenze esinye
amampondo musingamaxhosa wazi
I'm doing
wazini ngamampondo
no lalela I'm doing a documentary
okay oh
about amampondo I've gone to research ama chief wonke ngizoyibona nje seqala ukuyishuta sona
okay
so bekuyimi uPopeye Popeye
Yes.
wakuKerenya
yes baba
yeah lo wakuzonfothe
baba
kulapha kusitha manje kuba uChester the first Chester lo uqala ayi Chester west 2 ayipahluka Ntomsandlamini kuba Ernest Msibi the first Chester
also benihlanganele idocumentary
yeah so besisonke sishuthi
oh nisese busy ngayo
sibhizi ngaya ngithi manje
okay yinto yamampondo but niyenzela lana
asenzeni la siyakhona Eastern Cape
oh really
yeah
okay
ngizobe ngisathi matatele nje ngoku ndikakele ndithi ndofike Manfred ndithi Gqeberha
so okay uthi uyabhala nokubhala ne kunzima kangakanani ukuthi uyabhala most obvious uqeda ukubhala how difficult it is ukusubmita ukuthola equipment
that's a stress esikhulu esisilimazayo thina ama writers thina ama artists you've got a story to tell uyafika uthi into kanje ngicela uyichazela athi ngicela unginike synopsis umnike nayi synopsis ayifunde bese athi ayilise sami ngesithathu
yeah I've been there
ashintshe igama lesitory ashintshe amagama bayo
yeah
mawuthi time man
into yami le TV
aziningi abasithathile thina baningi engeke ngibabize ngamagama kumanje izitori zabo zisasekusifuli ziyadlala kubanje
imali
baningi angeke ngibabize ngamagama manje baphethe ama production angaka bakuthenge 500,000 baba
kungcono okay kusho ukuthi baba bathenga istory sakho ne bayakunika imali at least ngicabanga ukuthi mina bayasithatha like ubone sesihlala eTV ungayazi ukuthi
kukhona abanganazwelo
bakhona
abanganazwelo
bakhona basithatha nje sinyamalala istory ubone
sesihlala my brother ubone eduzo wathi I doesn't know this is old school asifaka kanti sekaqedile ngaso umangala wena after 6 months now sadlala bathi coming soon uthi angeke phela le introduction nama ngintroduce ama character ngenza hayi masuye lapha siphi esakho besithi lese sami you've got lawyers you've got advocates abazokulwela
bathatha kuphi sihambe nje net so story sakho ungatholi nesent
yabona kule field esikuyo thina la ku this industry ye acting kubuhlungu ufuna ukutshela amangami ngiyabatshela nawo upcoming kunamanje uyazi iDurban Chain ngiqede 2023 yavalwa ne since from then there's no film engiyenzile.
2023.
Yeah. Ngiphanda ngeindlela zami ukuthi ngiphile. Ubabheke bayingakho kuDurban nje abangene kuzalo. Abanye bakuSkandal.
Awuzange wathola ichance.
Mawukhuluma iqiniso uya.
Oh, that's the other thing. Because if ukhuluma iqiniso kwi-industry uyavalelwa. Blacklist.
Waqala ngemali ukuthi uzothi. Noma ubone ini ungayixoxi vele uyithulela ufane nathi manje. Ngoba sinika izinto ezenzekelayo behind the scenes. Abanye nje bathola imisebenzi kanje ithi ngayixoxileyo bazozibangivalela imisebenzi. Yesaba. Kodwa ngithi mina namhlanje ngisasho ngithi ama producer nama casting director nama director yazo. Yibo abenza yonke lento ukuthi ibe kanje le industry. Beside bona ngabe le industry kanje.
Because I value ye acting manje iyawa ne. Like ayisekho lanto leyana. And we keep on seeing the same faces on TV. And lama faces lana angekho on TV yila are talented.
Yebo.
Ne.
Njengoba ngiyabuyela futhi ngithi abalande wona ngithi balanda bona labo ama influencers wabo lawo ku TikTok balanda bona. Uzokuthela lo muntu yini azoacta ngoba ujwayele ukwenza lento e5 minutes. Wena ngathi usikhathi uyazi la eSouth Africa yenye into nje ebhedayo. Unokuthi okay fine a day mele shoot 5 scenes bakunike 13 scenes. Umqondo yakhathala that's why kuba siba nama bipolar. Ngeke ngizoshuta 13 scenes ungibhadala imali ya one day. Kanti lawo masini lawo weviki wena uyenzisa. That's why amathista amaningi wabona ngathi umqondo uyahlanya ngathi hayi ngiyakutshela sinje. And lawo masini lawo 13 scene one day 2 pages scene one.
Yo.
Nobaleke 13 scene a day. Babalekelani ukubhadala.
So bakuthatha for that day bayazi ukuthi bazosebenza ngawe for imsebenzi weviki then.
Yeah. After the next day mabekubiza bathi ne call time was 6. Yabona lo call time was 6 to 6. Ushotha 18 scenes. Amasine 2 weeks. Babaleke ukubhadala leyo 3000 bakubhadala 3000 ewa. Badla kanjalo. I know I had to cough it out.
Okay. Then Baba, when we are on set kuba nama backgrounds. Angithi we main actor wena then kunama backgrounds. How do you ngizothini?
How do you relate now?
Yeah, relate, yeah.
That's why wena my background bawuphatha kabuhlungu esethini. Yazi mawujabheka lo muntu ufana nawe. Kodwa thina qala amalidi. Futhi nina ngesizulu ngizothi nidla insalela. Otherwise ningaphaki nawe uyophakela le. Anike lokudla okufana nawe.
Badle etafuleni labo then ama background adle kwelinye icala.
Yebo. And ngathi usikhathi bongekho ama background there's no feeling.
There's no
feeling. Ngekho ama extras bathi ama extras. Thina sithi ama background artist. Qale ngi-extra mina.
And Baba, there is a difference between extra ne background. Uyayazi extra ukuthi according to my understanding, extra ngulomuntu lo ondlula laphayana obona nje nethi ishade. And then background ngulomuntu lo ozothi for instance let's say sise restaurant singama leads and then kukhona abanye abahleli la etafuleni ngama backgrounds. Bona bayabonakala eTV ukuthi oh this is bani.
Awukhulumi. Lokuthi
yeah
ama extras
background ke leyo but kuthiwa ngama extras.
Yebo. Uyabona uma yilona at least umuntu uzokhuluma 2 words. You're not a background artist. You are a cameo. So ngifundisa isa. uyayi-cameo artist noma ungadlala 2 days uyayi-cameo artist.
Okay. I-cameo yi kind of like
une-part noma ngensanibonane ngilethe ama-bloom
or yile kuthiwa yi-feature again.
it's a featured it's a cameo mhlawumbe ngizodlala inyanga kuSikhandala bangiqashe nje inyanga
For that day only.
yeah bese ngifike nginqamule-ke leyo nyanga yami leyo month engishuthile nginqamule bese athi ama-viewers sesifuna loyo bakubuyisa back.
Or yiyo i-cameo.
Yes, ama-right abuyisa back ethi hayi bayakhala ngithi siyavuthwa phela la yabo. Even nang ubabugumede wahamba kuDurban Journey yakhumbula
Yes.
ngathi ngemakhaya
Yeah.
wafaka nozolo boy wahamba Xolisi Majosi benginaye
Yeah.
wahamba baqasha nomntana lo ngimkhohlwa igama lakhe kodwa uyilo bekayi-lesbian ku-ambulance.
Oh yes, yeah.
Yeah, baqasha lo mfana wase-Alexander lo bambiza ubani omude nje kanje uChicken bamkhipha ngani Chicken but uChicken akahamba yafundela obudoctor obhadalelwa uMcLeod wahamba bengibuka eDurban nje kwangena lo mfana lona sekafika ke lo abamthathe yena ke loyo hayi cha iqiniso loyo ke bamthatha ku lento zabo zaseDurban ke zama YouTube.
Oh yes.
Yeah, influencer lo mfana bekuhamba noTerminator nangi lo drive ambulance noTerminator bathatha yena uye lo beseka umngani kaCalvin mina bangilandeleni ukuthi
Ama-viewers.
yebo
Ayabuza ukuthi
uCalvin uyashada ubaba kaCalvin akashonanga nango babjiwe yabuya ngithi ufana wami hawu ngiyalobona ngiyakulobolela mina yabona lawo masini from lapho ulibheke uyali yathi Durban nje wonke umuntu ukhala ngobabjiwe bathi ayilithamba le ngalithamba ende angisithime I wear the character.
Yeah.
And then a voice ngishintsha because ngiyafunda is a voice training yonke into ne-training la ku-acting industry akuculela mina manje ukhale I'm telling you ngatrainwa la eMarket Theatre mina ngibuye ukuthi ngangenza kozwa kuSabash ngathola award ne-FNB Tabita FNB yeah FNB Vita Award la eMarket Theatre bazokutshela la sekhaya lami la eMarket Theatre ilab ingakayakho bengekho le mall. I'm telling you bonke labo boRoni Nyakala bonke bezemva kwami after kuze kuseBash kwaba yiwola amajita bebefunda bona mina ngiya-actor.
Okay.
Abo Kenneth bonke bayazi babefunda bona mina Kenneth yena uKenneth nayedwa uKenneth lo sidudlo actor no Rapulane bazokutshela ya bonke bebefunda la mina ngangi-actor bona
uqedile wena
ngiya-actor mina ngise stage bona banika abantu amatikiti babeke etulweni just because they are from Market Theatre ingakho bathola ama-opportunity bangafundanga eMarket Theatre can't get any opportunity.
Oh iMarket Theatre i-right ne
Yebo
wena ufundile eMarket Theatre?
Yeah, hayi ngize nge-acting mina nganqamula babona ukuthi ngaya kuzwakala festival ngenza one man show yami. Yeah, azishe baphela ngiwasha amatiki makumele mina ngiyongena ku festival enkulu bathathi ya umntana ofunde eMarket but akangene lo angafundanga eMarket kodwa abantu bebefavor mina ukuthi hayi show okumele ngene even kuseBash lebe i-director uSolomake Kancube benginoloyed ukhumayo ngine-Heretman Mela nginomphomo Lipho kulindiwe Chibi ngitshela ngama-artist manje adumile. Yeah, okay ulindiwe wachekwa ngena omunye umntana wasembizo uThuli yibo abantu engihamba nabo eGramstown masibe eGramstown kwakumele sihambe thina siku-festival America azibathatha
abakade wena ukule industry
ubani ame-legend mina la kule industry ukuthi angibhaphe ngokutshela ukuthi kwakumele kuhambe ikozo kuseBash asibathathani iGomora just because bonke abantu abakugomora bafunde emarket theatre thina siqhamuka phi elokishini athi yethu yaselokishini thina yazi elokishini nama group angithi we acting siqhamuka nalama group size ku festival masifika festival sadonswa thina sa act sithe masiqeda uku-acta ke thina sesiwulile ke manje kuze kusebheshmeli ihambe kwathiwa kumele kuhambe imarket theatre khipha imali akuhamba abantwana abalayo i-children zanayo kumele zihambe zaya pheshe i-children ngeGomora mayifika le iGomora enza amasimo azange igcwale bathi sifuna kwezokusebhesha uScratch Mabhanana igama lami engalenza mina kuze ngibone namhlanje ngoba G from Durban G hamba no Mac G ibhoza ama paramedics that's me
Ama-productions osebenze nawo babchi iwapi?
Maningi sisangone ngibale maningi
ngiyabona ukuthi maningi hle.
Maningi qala from konya yazi ngidla komvango maningi aboduma maningi
ngiyabona ke manje. And then ama-artists la amakhulu okhuluma ngabo Bab Kenneth nabo Tawu yes uya communicate nabo I mean like angithi abantu bokhula nabo so ngizothi bokhula nabo angithi and then kunokwenzakala ukuthi bakuplug somewhere ukuthi kunama auditions or kune production eso efuna umuntu so maybe baku recommend kuleyo production leyo ukuthi kunomuntu so bayayazi ukuthi ukuthi
angeke bayiskin bayibandla labo bafana nabodwa babona Alexander fana Alexander sokuthi fana Soweto
okay
uzobe nenhlanhla mhlambe uye ku-audition uqhashwe ku-audition manje uhlangana nabo slash yabo and the motor pack abathandani
bona bodwa futhi
angithi umuntu momhlula ngalento yokuzonda sazondana ngifuna ukutshela manje omunye into esani khona le ayilezo ngicindezela yazi why ngisho kanjalo angithi masifunda iscript masozofika wena creativity yakho angeke ifane naye thina sikhipha amanye amagama abangawazi uzubuzwe iratha konje le gama olikhiphe elithini ngithi uzobhala libhale njalo wena ngicela ukubuza uyawazi amba ikhiphe hlanhlan Come on phela
clap it clan
yini amakhiphe hlanhlan
hayi papa
into eshayinayo no chocolate ndasikuza
but igama ozicreate lona lelo ngithi okay
manje kukanje la kule industry kufuneka i-creativity yakho
yeah kufuneka i-creativity vele
mina nginokuhamba bafethu ngintshele lezo ngena nokuhlala mina angifuni ukutshela abanye ngiyena kuhlala yabo labo mkhulu abashaya icartoon ijuba ngene ngihlala nabo ngithandele mkhulu ijuba ngihlala nabo bese ngithi ijuba nami ngilithi awubona qeda ukuthi la baba vele ngime ngithi awuzoze ingxoxo ezophuma la I observe
okay
that's
brilliant
recession abathi ngiyodlala umkhulu dlalela omunye umkhulu obhedayo ubaba Khomete mina ngamthola ehostel kwamasho lo baba ngamthola ehostel kwamasho ayingafika lapho abangifika ngeke hayi kunjani ekhaya ngathi ingqabi yami wathi ayimafo awuthengi hewu lapho ngathi nali wathi nyama enhloko ngathi nayi nyama enhloko wathi ngiphuza ukhasela mina mfana wami same voice eshaya ngathi nayi voice nayi atale egibela
ngaleso sikhathi so
sengiqashiwe bese ngifunele character
okay
athi we awazilutho hlala la mfana wami awuthengi ijuba lapho ngathi what hey kahle what else how is the mfana ufana wapha hawulanda ijuba lapho sengihlela unosotobe la usotobe musibia mina abafokazi behlahla ngibangenkomo Khomete yeye vele ngiacta ngesibongo sami angilibambe ngithi ngithemba ngilibamba hey uyazi mfowethu wami ngakukhuza sibanibani ayingathola leyo maline ukuthi ngikhuza umagwavu uthayike ukulandela abafazi abantu okay abantu mfowethu obuzathini ogamzi terrace izinto zakhe yonke into script bakunika 2 days to shoot ne mele usifunde usibheke ushintshe ukuthi okay le isendaweni eso athi ngeke le ndawo fuke lapho hayi angithi awukaveli thi uba respect bazokuthandana lawo omkhulu hey uzo researcher you observe where the character play the character.
Babji, have you ever been in ku-audition lapho ozo auditiona and then ama judges akuthande like ubona ukuthi bakujabulele and then bakuphe that thing bakuphe lela thema lelano lokuthi you know what siyakufuna wena uzoba lana like bakuphe leyado leyana ukuthi ubone ukuthi like mawusiye endlini ubone ukuthi ngithathiwe lapha na the next thing ubone sebengabuyeli ku
Ibhlungu leyo. Shuthi lapho sibiza white collar audition.
ini
White collar audition.
okay
Because maba bangabuyi buye bazokufonela bakusendele i-email. So kumele mfana siyeke le asikhulume ngento. Le funeki hayi.
so ukhe waba kuleyo situation but
Yes, I
awufuni
did.
ukukhuluma ngayo
Yeah, ngeke I did ngiyabashela hayi cha ngeke ngiphumelele mina. Namanje ke edlalo bunye umuntu lo character. Ibhlungu ngoba ngeke ngibize ngeke ngisho futhi yabo. Angifuni ukuvaleleka emsebenzini lo. Ayiqiniso lihle.
but then baba if awufuna ukuvaleleka but ngiya understand ke mawungekho comfortable it's fine mawungekho comfortable ngangakhulumi nayo but then like izinto zenzeka kwi-industry zibhlungu kakhulu zibhlungu because zibhlungu in such a way that uyesaba sometimes ukhuluma because uyazi ukuthi uzovaleleka and this industry akukho lapho khalela khona
Uzokhala ba.
ma une problem akunamuntu okhalela kuya ngithi so that's the problem if uyenze something you just get blacklisted kuthi kuphele ngawe
Baphuza bonke ithi bahlala bonke. If ibhlungu le siye ngoba manje izongivalela umsebenzi ngiyacela siyeke. Ungathanda wonke ama-casting director ngibathanda bonke futhi kamompela lezo no it's really serious. It's already happening right now.
yeah ne
Namanje yenzeka and angeke iphele because siyasaba ukhofa out.
do you think it's the reason eyenza ukuthi i-industry ibe iyawa like kube yenye yezathu eyenza ukuthi i-industry ibe iyawa because manje mawubhekelela iTV uyabona ukuthi hayi
Ingakho ngithi le ayifuni thina siyeke ngoba vele kumanje yabona uzothi mayivela manje bazothi ngizothola ama calls amaningana wenze kahle ungayikhiphi because they knew very well ukuthi le ayivele ngiyabheda ngizokhipha kodwa nawo abakhule babadala manje ilabo baba vela abaguda indahla abaphethe yonke into indasi yibo ngeke ngibabize amagama bayazazi kwabona yabo ukuthi ngizovaleleka manje kwamina ukuthi
hayi angazivaleli baba
nothi nje mangilethi monologue yami ngithi manje sekukhastwa ukuthi enze
nama monologues
uyisend monologue bathi cha yilo
yephi engcono ku-auditiona ngemonologue nokuthi uhambe street uye
ayingcono monologue
ngcono imonologue
yeah ngayi street angithi manje monologue bafuna yafikhatha mawuya straight but awona mawuqeda ukuphuma uzulendwa nje i-assistant ebe ikhona lapha yiyo lebenisanisa ama-form ithi let's spend at this time yawoteleli kanje
no ways
ngiyasiya
mara papa if lento lena yenzakala angithi if yenzakala leyo nto leyo kubantu abangodada how bad is it to like how bad do you think it is
akuna tata akunamfazi apha yabethwa nqa yo
kulunye emntwini xa
uyisanela e15 floor isuti yakhona ipha phezulu yabona nawe xa ufika uthi yo bakubekele enye into Remy Martin sisasiyeke le konye sisikuphi
and ngicurious ngiyakhalela ukuthi
ayo manje siqedeni le yazini manje bafethu ngithanda nonke nina balandeli bami kodwa sekafuna ukungisa ukuthi sisenda ngikho lapho ne ngitshela into ewani I love you guys kodwa nina upcoming artists ngizon 21 bafethu ngiyanicela yabona bathi uzosana icontract ehotel don't go there mangabe uzothini don't go there uzoba nawe nesikhathi sokuthi uthole ichance ukuthi ulone kunama producer kunama director writing nama ngiyanicela yabona lo zothi kuwe ntombazane ndini mntana ndini wena osase Wits or kuphi whatever half corner half drama whatever la wenza khona yabona I director or I producer or I casting director ezosayina hotel don't go ngoba uzosolo uyona kodwa ubab G from Durban G hamba no Mac G iphoza amaphara manje tihleli no Z ekhona house nithi wala love you guys I'm out